Have you ever wondered what secrets your car's onboard computer might be hiding? Beyond the shiny touchscreen and dashboard lights, there's a world of hidden menus, diagnostic screens, and advanced settings that manufacturers often keep tucked away. These aren't glitches, they're powerful tools designed for technicians, yet often accessible to you, the owner. Dealers typically prefer these menus remain a mystery, as they can reveal diagnostics, reset service lights, and even unlock custom features, potentially saving you a trip to the service center. Today, we're counting down the top features you can find in these hidden menus, empowering you to better understand and maintain your vehicle. Get ready to discover your car's secret life. Coming in at number 19, we have the basic trip computer and driving statistics. While most modern cars openly show your current fuel economy or average speed, hidden menus can often reveal far more detailed and historical data. We're talking about things like long-term averages for specific trips, precise time breakdowns for engine running versus idling, or even how many hard accelerations or braking events occurred within a journey. This data gives you a deeper understanding of your driving habits and your car's efficiency over time, beyond just the basic numbers on your dashboard. It's like having a personal driving coach built right into your car. At number 18, we move to advanced trip logs. Think of these as super detailed records of your car's journeys. Instead of just a single trip or trip B, some hidden menus can log multiple, independent trips, storing data like maximum speed, precise distances, and even elevation changes along the route. For fleet managers or car enthusiasts tracking performance, this is invaluable. Dealers might prefer you don't access these to maintain a clean service history or to avoid questions about how a vehicle was driven before sale. But for you, it's a window into your vehicle's true travel diary, offering granular insights that can help optimize routes or identify driving patterns. Number 17 on our list is user profile personalization access. Many modern cars allow for multiple driver profiles, saving seat positions, mirror settings, and even radio presets. But did you know hidden menus might offer even deeper customization? You could find options to tweak the sensitivity of automatic wipers, adjust the default volume for navigation prompts, or modify how long interior lights stay on after exiting. These are often small comfort features, but they contribute to a more personalized driving experience. Dealers typically handle these during setup, but knowing how to access them yourself means you're in control of your car's personal touches, without needing a technician. At number 16, we delve into minor comfort feature toggles. These are the little things that make a difference in your daily drive. Imagine being able to fine-tune the delay before your car automatically locks its doors after you walk away, or adjust the specific threshold for when your headlights automatically turn on. Some menus allow you to change the chime volume for seatbelt reminders or even disable certain courtesy features that you might find annoying. While dealers can set these for you, doing it yourself gives you immediate control over your vehicle's behavior, ensuring it perfectly matches your preferences without extra service charges. Sliding in at number 15 is the exterior lighting diagnostic. Ever wonder if all your bulbs are working correctly without having to walk around your car? Hidden menus can often provide a detailed status report of every exterior light, from your headlights and taillights to turn signals and fog lights. Some systems even show specific voltage readings or give options to test individual bulbs. This can save you from getting a ticket for a faulty light or prevent potential accidents. A dealer might charge for a lighting system check, but with this menu, you can perform a quick and comprehensive assessment yourself, ensuring your car is always visible and compliant. Coming in at number 14, we have the wiper and washer system test. This feature allows you to cycle through different wiper speeds, activate the washer jets, and even check the functionality of your rain sensors directly from a hidden menu. Instead of just guessing if your wipers are functioning optimally, you can run a diagnostic sequence that confirms everything is working as it should. This is particularly useful if you're troubleshooting an issue, like wipers not returning to their home position or weak washer spray. Dealers would typically charge diagnostic fees for such a check, but you can be your own mechanic and verify this critical safety system's performance. At number 13, we find the software and firmware version display. Every modern car is essentially a computer on wheels, with numerous electronic control units, or ECUs, managing everything from your engine to your infotainment system. These ECUs run specific software versions. A hidden menu often lets you see exactly what software versions are installed on critical modules. This information is crucial for troubleshooting or confirming if your car has the latest updates. It prevents a dealer from claiming they updated your system when they haven't, or allows you to verify if a recall-related software patch has been applied. It's about transparency and being informed. Number 12 on our countdown is real-time engine sensor readouts. This is where things start getting seriously technical and useful. Your car's engine control unit, or ECU, constantly monitors dozens of sensors. A hidden menu can often display this data live: coolant temperature, engine RPM, intake air temperature, throttle position, and much more. This is incredibly valuable for diagnosing subtle issues that don't trigger a check engine light. For example, if your engine is running slightly hot, you can see the exact temperature. Dealers use expensive diagnostic tools for this, but with your hidden menu, you get a glimpse into your engine's vitals, helping you understand its performance. Slipping into number 11, we have real-time transmission data. Just like the engine, your car's transmission is packed with sensors feeding information to its own control unit. Hidden menus can often show you critical data points like transmission fluid temperature, current gear selection, and clutch engagement status. High transmission fluid temperatures can indicate an issue or heavy strain, which is important to catch early to prevent costly repairs. Monitoring this data can help you understand how your transmission is performing under various conditions, potentially identifying problems before they become severe. Dealers love keeping this data exclusive, but you now have access to it. Kicking off our top 10 is the Battery Management System, or BMS, Health Check. Modern cars rely on sophisticated BMS to monitor your 12-volt battery's health, charge cycles, and state of charge. A hidden menu can often give you a detailed report: battery voltage, internal resistance, and even the number of charge/discharge cycles. This is incredibly useful for assessing battery lifespan, especially after replacement. When a dealer installs a new battery, they usually perform a BMS reset. If you don't reset it, the car might not properly charge the new battery, shortening its life. Knowing how to check and reset helps ensure your new battery performs optimally. At number 9, we have specific component actuation. This is a powerful diagnostic tool. Instead of just reading data, these menus let you activate certain components. Imagine being able to manually turn on your cooling fan, cycle your ABS pump, or even prime your fuel pump, all without leaving the driver's seat. This is invaluable for troubleshooting. If your cooling fan isn't turning on, you can manually activate it through this menu to determine if the fan itself is faulty or if the problem lies with the sensor or control module. Dealers use specialized tools for this, which they charge for, but you can potentially pinpoint issues yourself. Number 8 introduces us to Advanced Driver Assist System, or ADAS, sensor calibration status. Modern cars are packed with cameras, radar, and LiDAR sensors that power features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These sensors require precise calibration. A hidden menu might reveal the calibration status of these critical sensors, indicating if one is misaligned or requires service. If you've had a minor fender bender or even a windshield replacement, checking this status can confirm if your safety systems are operating correctly, potentially saving you from a dealership visit to verify ADAS function. It's vital for your safety. Slipping into number 7, we have the service interval resets. This is a big one for saving money. After an oil change, tire rotation, or routine inspection, your car's computer typically reminds you when the next service is due with a dashboard light. Dealers automatically reset these. But what if you do your own maintenance? Many hidden menus provide the option to manually reset these service indicators, like the oil change due light or inspection required message. This saves you from a trip to the dealer just to clear a light, empowering you to manage your own maintenance schedule without annoying reminders or unnecessary service fees. It's truly a DIY mechanic's best friend. Breaking into our top 5 is the ability to read in clear powertrain DTCs. These are the codes that typically trigger your dreaded check engine light. Powertrain refers to the engine and transmission, the core components that move your car. A hidden menu can often provide you with the exact P codes, for example, P0420 for catalyst inefficiency, giving you a precise idea of what's wrong. More importantly, it might allow you to clear these codes. While clearing a code doesn't fix the underlying problem, it can tell you if the issue is intermittent or a one-off error, saving you a diagnostic fee to simply read the code at the dealer. Always address the root cause, though. At number 4, we have emissions system readiness monitors. These are crucial for passing emissions tests, especially in states with strict regulations. Your car's ECU runs various self-tests on components like the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, and EVAP system. The readiness monitors indicate if these tests have completed successfully since the last time codes were cleared or the battery was disconnected. If a monitor shows not ready, you won't pass inspection. Hidden menus can show you the status of each monitor. This knowledge saves you the frustration of failing an emissions test and helps ensure your car is compliant, without relying on a dealer to tell you if you're ready. Number 3 on our list delves into ABS and traction control system diagnostics. These are critical safety systems. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking, while traction control prevents wheel spin during acceleration. Hidden menus can provide deep insights into these systems, individual wheel speed sensor readings, brake pressure data, and even the operational status of the ABS pump. If your ABS light is on, you can pinpoint which wheel speed sensor might be failing. This level of detail helps you diagnose complex braking issues, ensuring your car's safety features are fully functional without relying solely on expensive dealership expertise. Our runner-up at number 2 is advanced adaptive learning resets. Modern cars learn your driving style and adapt various systems, like the throttle body's response or the transmission shift points. If you replace a component, like a throttle body, or if your car's performance feels sluggish, sometimes a simple reset of these adaptive values can make a huge difference. Hidden menus might offer options to perform a throttle body adaptation reset, transmission learning reset, or even clear engine fuel trim values. This forces the car's computer to relearn from scratch, often restoring crisp performance. Dealers perform these as part of services, but you can empower yourself to refresh your car's brain. And finally, coming in at number 1, the ultimate hidden car menu feature that dealers absolutely dread you finding: full system diagnostic scan and calibration. This isn't just reading a few codes, it's a comprehensive, dealer-level scan of every control module in your car, uncovering dormant issues, pending codes, and even allowing for certain system calibrations. Think factory reset for specific modules, or initiating a comprehensive self-test that checks every sensor and actuator. While specific steps vary by manufacturer, gaining access to this level of diagnostic power can help you pinpoint exactly why a complex issue is occurring, potentially saving you thousands in diagnostic fees and unnecessary part replacements. It truly puts professional-grade diagnostic capabilities right at your fingertips. Knowledge is power, and this is pure automotive power.